Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be unboxing some of my Pokemon cards. So this is Sword and Shield Battle Styles Pokemon trading card game. So let's begin. So these are the things which we get. So that's two Chilling Green packets. And this one. Keep those aside. So we're gonna take out these cards first. Okay, kinda hard. And I'm sorry for the camera if you can't see sometimes. Okay, let me just bend this over. I'll get them out. Okay, almost just one card left. Yep, I got them out. So that's it, closing the box. We still have two Chilling Green packs over here, which we will open at the last. So here are the cards. So okay, wait, just okay. Here we go. Blitzale, Clayrex V, Aaron, Shadow Rider, Clayrex V Max, Energy Card, Golett, Karen's Convention as a trainer, Sneasel, Deerling, Farfetch'd, Galarian Farfetch'd, Spirit Comb, Abnomasnov, Larvesta, Blaziken V, Clayrex Ice Rider V again, Flaffy, Furfrou, Galarian Moltres V, Energy Card, Slurpuff, Trainer Flannery, Delibird, Snover, Diglett, Coughing, Leedian, Volcariona, Metagross V, Ampharos, Porygon 2, Galarian Articuno V, Energy Card, Haunter, Crushing Gloves, Trainer Valrine, Heracross, Weezing, another Ice Rider Clayrex V, Volcarion again, Aaron again, Shadow Rider Clayrex V Max, Energy, Golett again, Karen's Convention again, I guess, Sneasel, Deerling again, Spirit Comb again, Farfetch'd again. Okay, these cards are upside down. Scolipede, Scorbunny, Bitzel again, and Dugtrio. So now we open up one of these packets. Okay, begin. Cast Form, Sunny Form. Okay, what? Zeraro V, Sandaconda V Max, another Blaziken V, Moltres V, Shadow Rider Clayrex V Max, Energy, and Haunter. And we have another pack. Hope we get Zapdos in this one. So begin. Spirit Comb, Ampharos, Dugtrio, Carbonamian, Thwackey, Diglett, Coughing, Malamar, Fire Resistant Gloves. That's all. So I got them in this. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. If you liked it, subscribe, and if you're a fan of Pokemon cards and Pokemon, comment down if the comments work. Meet you next time.